Hi there, my name is Gideon Besaidnat. I'm an application engineer for Micrographics. Today we're going to have a look at the coordinate system in AutoCAD, how to utilize and how to take advantage of the coordinate system. When you've got a drawing and you know there's specific dimensions and specific points and starting points, it's very easy to use the coordinate system and actually to get used to the coordinate system. In this case, we have a 250 by 250 square. As you can see, this was not drawn using the coordinate system. So I had to manually track where this diameter circle is going to be, track up 200, track across 50. The same as this 80 diameter circle, had to track up 150 and in 150 to place it. The same with the square. We all know that can be time consuming, and we want to see how much time we can actually save, how efficient we can be once we start drawing. That's definitely one of the advantages using the coordinate system. You save the time and you draw efficiently. So how does the coordinate system work? We're going to use the y and x axes. The y and x axes will be the starting point for your drawing. Notice we've got a 250 by 250 square. Now I'm going to draw a square. I'm selecting the normal square. Now it says specify first corner point. The coordinate system on the starting point will be 0 on the x, press tab, and 0 on the y. So the first coordinate will be the x, the second will be the y. I'm going to press enter. Now we're ready to insert the normal dimensions. It's a 250 by 250 square. Next we're going to draw the 80 diameter circle. Choose the circle, just make sure it's on the diameter. The first coordinate will be 150, that's in the x direction, and the second one would be 150, and that's in the y direction. And it's an 80 diameter circle. Quite easy once you start using the coordinate system. Next we're going to have a 30 diameter circle. That would be the x position would be 50, and the next one would be the y, and that's 200 up, and that's a 30 diameter circle. We're gonna use a square. So the first coordinate, remember, it's the x, so that's 75 in and 15 up. That should be the starting point for your first corner, and this is a normal 50 by 50 square. To confirm that I am correct with my dimensions, just taking it down and putting in a dimension quickly. If I zoom in, you can see it's 15 by 75, 15 by 75. The same if I choose the circle diameter over there, you'll see it's 50 and it's 50. Confirm down. So zooming in, you'll notice it's already on the correct place. That is how quick you can utilize using the coordinate system. Once you get used to drawing from a starting point and you have all your variables, it's a big advantage using the coordinate system. You can save time, and as you just noticed and saw, it's quite quick, quite easy to make a drawing. I hope you enjoy this, if you would like to contact us, please email us at info@mgfx.co.za.